poet of India, Ravindranath Tagore, tells us about the nature and environment. हे मोर चित्त पुण्य तीर्थ जागोरे धीरे ये भारतेर महामानवे. He calls India the cradle of civilization, and this is right. India is not only the cradle of civilization, but here the culture which has been born, this culture is giving us message to live in tune with the nature. Right from Indus Valley civilization, you take the cases of the prehistoric civilization in India. Everywhere, environment and nature has played significant role in the life of the human being, and that is why protecting nature is very important. The Indian people consider each and every creation of the nature as a sacred important. In Goa, we consider the basil plant not only medicinally important, but it has cultural significance. And that is why you will find women reciting song in the honor of the basil plant. दारातले तुळशी घे, पानान पान फुलशी घे, गळ्यातल्या मण्यासाठी किती लोक वनवाशी. Why the women consider the basil as a sacred? Because they know that this small plant has medicinal as well as ecological significance. Each and every plant around them, they found it is important, and that is why Indian people respected and protected most of the plant, most of the trees. The trees plays important role in our life. They don't only provide us food, fodder or timber, but they also give us such type of the environment that is very essential. They provide the oxygen which is helping us to live. All the living beings who are there around us, they are living because of this plant. So plants are very important, and that is why our through culture, you will find the people give importance to the trees and plants. So trees are the abode for the animals. Trees are the producer of oxygen, and that is why protecting tree means helping our existence to be strengthened. So if we will protect the vegetation, tree cover on the slope of the hill, that will going to help us to retain whatever monsoon rain giving us water. Otherwise, there are many places in India and outside India, they are facing drought, they are facing the paucity of water. The main reason for all is deforestation. Increasing cutting of the trees will going to create the imbalances. So that is why it is high time for all of us to stop all this and protect each and every plant around us. Remember, protecting tree cover means opposing all type of the development is not a true. As an environmentalist, I will support the sustainable model of development. So what is the sustainable development of model? It emphasizes the protection of the nature as well as allowing the developmental activities. So when developmental activities are taking place, we should not cause harm to the ecology. We should not create the problem for the wildlife, and then only we will going to enjoy the sweet nectar of the Mother Earth.